Taking payment in Venue Manager is how bookings are converted into revenue. In this video, you'll learn how to collect payment on a booking using payment request links, invoices, and manual payment methods. We'll also cover how to adjust the payment amount, how to charge a stored payment method when one is available, and how to quickly confirm payment has been recorded properly. By the end, you'll understand how to manage outstanding balances and keep booking payments accurate for reporting and reconciliation. The fastest way to collect a card payment from a guest who isn't in front of you is a payment request link. Select Take Payment. By default, Send Payment Request is already selected. Choose whether you want to send the link by email or text message and confirm the contact details are correct. Before you send the request, be sure to check the payment amount. By default, it's set to the total amount due on the booking. If your product is configured to take a deposit, it will instead default to the minimum deposit option, so you can collect the required amount without doing any manual calculations. You can also enter a custom amount, as long as it doesn't exceed the total due. This is useful when you're taking staged payments, splitting payment across methods, or collecting an agreed part payment to secure the booking. When everything is set, select Send Request. The guest receives a secure link they can use immediately or later on. As soon as they pay, the booking updates automatically, and the balance owing is reduced. If you make changes to the booking while a payment link is still pending, cancel the original link and send a new one. This ensures the guest pays the correct amount. If you need a more formal payment request, use an invoice instead. Invoices are a great fit for corporate bookings, schools, group organizers, or any situation where the guest needs documentation, an invoice number, payment terms, or a due date. When you create an invoice, you can choose which payment methods are accepted, request the full amount or a deposit, and set a due date before sending the invoice email. The payment methods available on the invoice are configured in the invoice email template. To control how guests can pay, edit the payment methods section in that template. One important guideline: avoid multiple invoices at once. In most cases, you should have only one active invoice per booking, so it's clear which invoice is current. Once an invoice is sent, you can manage it from the bookings activity stream. This is where you'll see key events recorded, like when the invoice was created, sent, paid, or updated. From the invoice entry, you can resend the invoice if the guest can't find it, cancel it if it's no longer valid, or mark it as paid if the guest pays offline, like by cash, check, or bank transfer. Card payments made through the invoice link update automatically. For offline payments, marking the invoice as paid helps ensure your payment records stay accurate. If the guest isn't paying via credit card, choose a manual payment method instead of sending a link. Options include bank transfer, check, or gift card. These methods record the payment against the booking without sending the guest a payment request. If you're taking a gift card payment, enter the gift card number and check the available balance before finalizing the transaction. Expired cards can't be used, and the amount you deduct can't exceed the remaining balance. After payment is processed, you can confirm it in 3 places. First, check the booking header. You should see the payment status update to paid in full or part paid, and the balance owing adjust accordingly. Next, check the activity stream to confirm the payment event has been recorded. Finally, open the Payments tab to review the full payment history, including the payment type, amount, and time it was processed. Reviewing these areas helps identify discrepancies early and ensures your booking records and payment reporting remain accurate. Once payment is confirmed, we recommend sending the order confirmation email so the guest receives their receipt and booking details. You now know how to take payment on a booking using payment request links, invoices, and manual payment methods. You can adjust the amount you're collecting, charge stored cards when available, and confirm payment has been correctly recorded from the booking header, activity stream, and Payments tab.